Hi, this is Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston off Daniel Island, and today I wanted to take you through a 2020 Boston Whaler 170 Montauk that we still have under shrink wrap. We will soon be unwrapping this boat, but I still wanted to get some information out there as to how this model is equipped. First of all, this boat has the Glacier Green full gel coat color. So you can see the entire portion of the hull has the Glacier Green. It's powered by a 115 horsepower four-stroke from Mercury, has black canvas, has the white rub rail with the stainless steel insert, bow cushion, aft quarter seats, both port and starboard, with removable backrests. It has the fishing package, the live well beneath the helm seat, the trolling motor panel, so there are no high rails, although those can be added if preferred. It does have the bimini top with the storage canvas. It has the tow arch on the back. It has a Fusion Bluetooth stereo, a 7-inch Raymarine with a transom-mounted transducer, and a combination cover for the leaning post and the console. It does come with a trailer that includes brakes, and it already comes with a swing tongue. If you have any questions about this boat or any of our others, give us a call at 843-747-1889. And again, this is Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston. Thank you.